Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I will tell you step by step if you have uploaded any post on Instagram, then how can you turn off its comments? So let's start this video. In this video, I will tell you step by step, so watch this video till the end. First of all, click on your profile at the right bottom. After that, select any post here for which you want to turn off comments. After that, click on the top right 3 dots of the post. Here you can see, click on these 3 dots. After that, here you guys will be seeing a lot of options. Here you can select turn off commenting. Here you can see turn off commenting, click on it. In this way you can turn off comments of any Instagram post. Now here also you can see the option has come. Comments have been closed.